And what's up guys, today we're doing a review on this Silvercrest wireless mouse I have bought from Lidls. So let's start with the unboxing. Wait a minute, I need something to cut it. Nope, don't have anything, so just gonna open it. Oh god. Got it open, and now we'll get the actual mouse out, which comes with a disc, and some instructions which we won't need, and then we get the actual mouse. So let's open up. Right, we're just gonna cut it open. And it just comes flying out. Here it is. I've just installed the batteries and got the wee USB dongle, so I'm gonna plug it into my computer and install the software with the CD. See you once it's installed. So as you can see, I'm just installing the software. I've got my mouse set up here. Oh, and there's my Raspberry Pi, which just plug the keyboard and mouse. And hi again, I haven't installed the software for my new mouse, but I will do, but not on video because it will take too long. So let's see how it games this new mouse I have bought from Lidls. So we're just loading up. So we're loading up Star Wars Battlefront 2, and then I get a thingy from YouTube. So load. Yeah, my computer's been a bit buggy for. Yep, buggy again. I'll try to do that again. After a quick update, we finally got it up and running. Let's see if I can run. Oh hey, yes! Just wait for it. Here we are in Star Wars Battlefront 2, which is one of my favourite games to play on my computer, and we'll test this optical mouse to see how well it does for this game. My old mouse is over here. That's it. Sorry, I need to. Right, we're gonna spawn. I'd say pretty good for. Right, that's probably enough for now. Exit to Windows. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. And overall, I think this is a great mouse. You should buy it for £7 in Aldi's if you have an Aldi's nearby. And even though it's an optical mouse, it's great. So it's my daily driver. Thanks for watching. Bye.